Angeline Nicole T. Andanor at this year's first princess. Come forward, Angeline Nicole. Grace the royal court with your elegance. Our next honoree has captured hearts with her grace, radiant smile, and captivating presence, standing out as a true example of an Asian princess. With pride and delight, we crowned Angeline Nicole T. Andanor at this year's first princess. Come forward, Angeline Nicole. Grace the royal court with your elegance and charm. And for the awarding ceremony for our first princess, may I call on the following. For the crown, Ma'am Zenaida Nicole Tinesa Antenor, to be assisted by Sir Juanito Tenor Lola, Ma'am Flordalisa Tinesa. To pin the sash, may I request the cousin of the candidate, Lloyd Beloy and Ezra Jade Tinesa. To hand over the certificate, may I call on the proud advisor, Sir Helio P. Valera. And the trophy to be handed over by Miss Pauline Meiti Antenor. Ladies and gentlemen, the awarding ceremony of our first princess, Angeline Nicole T. Antenor.